Hello friends, so today we are here to solve an L.P.P and to learn how we can solve a given L.P.P. First of all, we need to understand that the question can be given in two ways. आपको क्वेश्चन दो तरह से गिवन हो सकता है. फर्स्ट इज आपको डायरेक्ट L.P.P गिवन हो जिसमें आपको सीधे ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन एंड सब्जेक्टिव कांस्टेंट इन दोनों की हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में बात करी है. वो गिवन हो तो आपको सिर्फ उसे सॉल्व करना है. बट the second thing which we need to learn is how to convert a particular case into the linear programming and then solve it. So first of all, please, I am dictating one question. मैं एक क्वेश्चन बोल रहा हूँ, आप प्लीज उसे नोट डाउन कर लीजिए. So the question is that there is a company which manufactures two types of furniture. One is chair and second is table. Right? The contribution from the chair is rupees 20 per unit and the contribution from the table is rupees 30 per unit. What is contribution? It's a profit which the company is earning from 1 unit of chair as well as 1 unit of table. Now both chair and table needs to be processed on three types of machinery M1, machine M2 and machine M3. 1 unit of chair needs 3 hours of processing on machine M1, 5 hours of processing on machine M2 and 2 hours of processing on machine M3. Right? And 1 unit of table requires 3 hours of processing on M1, 2 hours of processing on M2 and 6 hours of processing on M3. Right? Now you understand that in question these three machineries are given and machineries cannot work for 24 hours. Right? So there must be some limitation, some amount of hours given in the question that machine M1 will work for these hours, machine M2 will work for these hours. It is for that particular production period. Production period can be of 1 month, 1 week, 1 day, I don't know, think it's a 1 day, but 7 days, 15 days, 1 month, 6 months or 1 year, right? So in this question, machine M1 can work for 36 hours in total, right? Machine M2 can work for 50 hours in total and machine M3 can work for 60 hours in total, right? And in last, it is asked that the firm wants to decide that which furniture should be produced in which quantity, in what quantity to get the maximum profit. Right? So first of all, we'll convert this into the L.P.P. So we are given that the company is dealing into two furniture. One is chair and second is table. Right? Now the profit, contribution is profit. So profit from 1 unit of chair is rupees 20. That the company is earning 20 rupees from one chair. And from the table it is rupees 30. This is per unit. Right? Then there are, for processing purpose, there are three machineries M1, M2 and M3. Right? What I am doing right now is I am extracting the information from the given case. आप लोगों को भी इसी तरह से इस पर्टिकुलर जो थ्योरेटिकल केस आपको गिवन होगा, क्वेश्चन थ्योरेटिकल फॉर्म में जो गिवन होगा, उसमें से इंफॉर्मेशन को पहले निकालना है. So machine M1, 1 unit of chair requires 3 hours of processing on M1, 5 hours of processing on M2 and 2 hours of processing on M3. Right? Second table, 3 hours of processing on M1, 2 hours of processing on M2 and 6 hours of processing on M3. Right? And as we talked about that machine M1 cannot work 24/7, it needs some rest. So there are limitations of the availability. Available time. Total available time. Machine M1 can work for 36 hours, machine M2 can work for 50 hours and machine M3 can work for 60 hours. Right? So now what we'll do, we'll दिस इज व्हाट द इंफॉर्मेशन वी हैव एक्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम द गिवन क्वेश्चन. हम लोगों ने उस क्वेश्चन से इंफॉर्मेशन को निकाल लिया है. अब हम इस क्वेश्चन को, इस इंफॉर्मेशन को लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग की फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. हम लोगों ने पहले पढ़ चुके हैं दैट एक लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग का एक सेट फॉर्मेट होता है. सेट फॉर्मेट इन द सेंस सबसे पहले हम उसमें बात करते हैं ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन की. सो हम ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन बनाएंगे एंड होता है, दूसरी चीज होती है एक सब्जेक्ट टू कॉन्स्टेंट्स. Now what is objective function and what is subject to constant? First of all, we need to understand what the question wants from us. The question wants from us that we need to tell that how much chairs should be produced and how many tables should be produced to get the maximum profit. So let us assume let the number of chairs produced be x1. And similarly, number of tables produced be x2. हमने ये मान लिया है कि chairs x1 बनाएगा और tables x2 होगी. So the objective function, हमारा objective क्या है? So our objective is to maximize the profit. So our objective is maximization of profit. So whatever it is, we will denote it by z, and we have written that maximization of in this profit. Now what is this profit? 1 unit of chair gives you 20 rupees of profit, and how many units you are producing? You are producing x1 units. So in total it is 20x1. And 1 unit of table giving you 30 rupees of profit, then in total you are getting 30x2 from tables. क्योंकि आप x2 tables बना रहे हैं, total profit से 30x2 होगा, 13 into x2. So in total ये आपका total profit है और इसको मैक्सिमाइज करना आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव है. नाउ द मैक्सिमाइजेशन ऑफ दिस डिपेंड्स ऑन सर्टेन कांस्टेंट. कांस्टेंट होता है एक तरह का लिमिटेशन. ये आपके 3 कांस्टेंट हैं. ये 3 मशीनरीज को मैं 24/7 काम नहीं करा सकता. अगर ऐसा होता तो मेरा प्रॉफिट अनलिमिटेड करता. मैक्सिमाइजेशन ये नहीं, जितना बनाऊंगा उतना मैं बेचूंगा. सो द सब्जेक्ट टू कांस्टेंट आर, फर्स्ट कांस्टेंट इज m1. सो इन केस ऑफ m1 आप देखें 1 यूनिट ऑफ चेयर रिक्वायर्स 3 आवर्स, राइट. सो आप कितनी यूनिट बना रहे हैं? x1. सो टोटल कितना हो गया? 3x1 प्लस सिमिलरली 1 यूनिट ऑफ टेबल रिक्वायर्स 3 आवर्स ऑफ m1. ठीक है. सो 3 आवर्स अगेन आप बना लिखते हैं x2 तो 3x2. नाउ ये टोटल है कंजम्पशन कि m1 मशीन के इतना टाइम मैं काम में ले लूंगा. नाउ ये टाइम जो है ये ज्यादा से ज्यादा 36 हो सकता है क्योंकि टोटल 36 अवेलेबल है. So कहने का मतलब है कि ये this total cannot be greater than 36, and when something cannot be greater than a particular number, that means it can be less than or equal to 36, right? Similarly on machine M2, 1 unit of chair requires 5 hours. हम x1 बना रहे हैं तो 5x1 plus 1 unit of table requires 2 hours. हम x2 बना रहे हैं 2x2 less than or equal to 50. ठीक है. Now M3, 1 unit of chair requires 2 hours. We are producing x1, so it is 2x1 plus 1 unit of table requires 6 hours. We are producing 6x2. Now this total cannot be greater than this, so we'll write this less than or equal to 60. And in the end, it is always written that x1, x2 greater or equal to 0. What it is nothing, but it is showing something that the number of chairs cannot be less than 0. Because आप उसको अगर एंड में सजेस्ट करेंगे तो जैसा यही बोलेंगे कि आप चेयर एक भी मत बनाओ. You will not say that -2 chairs can be produced, right? So this is how we can convert the given case, the given theoretical question into the L.P.P. Please note it down so that we can solve it into the next class, next video, right? Thank you.